Hi beautiful people, welcome to my corner of YouTube. My name is Tasha and I create content focused on fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. And today I have a review for you guys. Backstory, I was looking for a solid pair of white sneakers. I know we're in the middle of winter, but I just wanted some sneakers. Picked up the Alexander McQueen Oversized sneakers in all white. There's no trims of black or all the other various colors. Yeah, and these are those ones. Let me compare the colors. Can you guys see the difference in color? So this one is more like, well, this one is a true white and this one is more like an off-white type of vibe thing going on. Originally a 7.5. The 37.5 would be the 7.5 in their, I guess, Italian sizes or European size, I don't know, but I picked this up in a 38 because of my experience with my previous shoes, with me getting blisters on my feet. I was just not looking for another experience like that. And so when I did my research on these shoes, a lot of the reviews and were that because of the leather, because it's leather, that it was cutting up people's feet, and I was just like, we not having that. So I went to half size up and still they fit like a baby. I'm like, ooh, okay, I could dig it. I could dig it. So like I said, it's a full-on white on white. In the front, it has stitching on the side going around, and it stops about like almost midsection, but it's not quite there yet. Stitching right there. This part right here is usually where the different color aspects would come in, and then some of them have like a little clear sole type of thing going on with a different bottom. The tongue says Alexander McQueen. On the side, it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 holes. It did come with an extra pair of lace. I first opened the box, I was just like, I don't like this. I don't think I like these. But when I did put them on my feet and I saw how good they look on my feet, I was just like, oh, I could work with these. I like these bad boys. Has a nice feel to it. Genuine leather. It does not look bulky on your feet at all. There's not much difference in width with these shoes, like at all. Even though it says it's oversized, there's not much difference, like at all. The Alexander McQueens are a little bit higher. Are they worth it? Are they worth it? Are they worth it? I think that's overall the question that we are all here for. Whew, hey. Quality wise, it's worth it. It's leather, it's nice leather, color is nice. Look, shape, feel, it's nice. What I will say though, if you're looking for something that's a little bit more affordable, another versions of these, which I believe to be the original version, and I think Alexander McQueen just kind of copied them, so I would say these are a dupe of those. And those are the Stan Smiths by Adidas. Like, if you are not familiar with them, they look, well, these look exactly like that. There's really not much difference at all. With the Stan Smiths, because they're Adidas, of course, most Adidas would come with the typical 3 stripes. The Stan Smith doesn't come with the actual Adidas 3 stripes, but the holes on the Stan Smiths is 3 rows of these little holes. Okay. A lot of complaints that I was seeing from people who had these shoes was that where the holes are, I don't know what these holes are called. Like I said, I'm not a sneakerhead. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These holes was that it was creasing and it was bursting in that area. So again, I haven't really experienced that because I've never actually worn the shoes. So I can't say yes, that's true or not, but those were a lot of the complaints that I were seeing from people. Again, if you're looking for something that looks like this, but you don't want to fork out the $500 and something to pay for these, I would just say get the Stan Smiths. And just like these, or just like Stan Smiths, well, just like these, how the back strip comes with the various colors, where this part is, the Stan Smith does the same exact thing. They're just not as bulky, they're just not as bulky or oversized as Alexander McQueen called theirs, but they are a more slim fit for the Stan Smiths, if that makes sense. So if you're looking for a version of these or something that's similar to these Stan Smiths, and I'm pretty sure there's plenty of other versions out there, especially after these came out, because you know, whenever a luxury fashion house comes out with something, there's always plenty of dupes out there, so you could find cheaper versions of these everywhere else, and just do that pretty much. So yeah, again, do I think it's worth it? Because it's leather, but a price point, we all know when it comes on to luxury, the only thing that we're really paying for is the name, even when the products or the items are subpar. This compared to the Nikes, I don't know, man. Anybody could buy a pair of Nikes. These, I mean, some people would have to save for these, so it's just like, if you're looking for all white sneakers or you're looking for some dope ass sneakers, Nikes. If you want something in your collection that's affordable, that's luxury or considered to be luxury, you could definitely opt for these, and there's plenty of other versions out there. Not of these, but just of better or really fashionable or good looking shoes from different fashion houses that you could go for. Not to knock these, but if we're being honest here, it's a fact. But overall, I am happy with my purchase. Obviously, I still have them. If I didn't like them, I would return them. Like I said, there was an initial moment of I don't like these until I put them on. I'm like, oh, and then I paired them with a couple of outfits, and I was just like, oh my god, I like these shoes. I really like these shoes. So yeah, let's just see how outside behaves in the next couple months leading up to spring and summer, and then we can go from there, baby, because I'm ready. But yeah, that's it for this video, guys. What are your thoughts on the Alexander McQueen's oversized sneakers? That's it for this video, guys. I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.